everyone and welcome to MERI Daily Space Bulletin. Here are today's top developments. Starships underpin SpaceX growth ambitions. Orbital data centers, power and thermal management for scalable architectures. NASA to provide update on moon-based strategy missions. NASA developed AI could help track harmful algae. Today is Saturday, the day of Saturn, the planet of mystery, time and silence. In ancient mythology, Saturn was seen as a powerful ruler connected with destiny and discipline. Today, space scientists admire Saturn for its giant rings and cosmic beauty. It's strange how one planet became both a mythological symbol and a scientific wonder. Maybe that's why Saturday nights always feel like a deeper, quieter, and a more magical. Before moving ahead, here's our space thought. Across the sea of space, the stars are other suns. Starship underpin SpaceX growth ambitions. As SpaceX prepare for its next Starship test flight, the company's prospectus underlines how critical that vehicle is to its ambitions. SpaceX confirmed late 2020 plans to attempt a launch of Starship on its 12th integrated test from Starbase, Texas. A 90-minute launch window for the suborbital missions open at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, with the company reporting a 55% chances of acceptable weather. Orbital data centers, power and thermal management for scalable architectures. As orbital data centers move from concept to reality, scalable power generation and efficient thermal management are emerging as critical enabling technologies. A new white paper from Redwire examines how power, generation and distribution along with thermal rejection will fundamentally shape the future of large-scale orbital compute infrastructure. Drawing on decades of Redwire spaceflight heritage in deployable structures, high-power solar arrays and thermal management system, the white paper highlights how existing flight-proven technologies can support practical and scalable orbital compute architectures. NASA to provide update on Moonrise strategy missions. NASA will host a news conference at 2 p.m. EDT Tuesday, May 26 to share moon-based plans and highlight progress toward a sustained presence on the lunar surface. The media briefing will take place at the agency's headquarters in Washington. Leadership will discuss program progress, including new industry partners and mission plans. Subject matters expert will be available for one-on-one interviews after the news conference ends. NASA is advancing development of moon base, a long-term lunar exploration and infrastructure initiative designed to enable sustained human presence and expanded scientific and commercial activity at the lunar South Pole. NASA developed AI could help track harmful algae. NASA scientists have developed an artificial intelligence tool to take on a long-standing challenge in ocean waters. In a study recently published in AGU Earth and Space Science, researchers reported the tool was able to fuse data from multiple satellites and detect harmful algal blooms that occurred in western Florida and southern California. Severe blooms can pose health risks and coastal economies in the United States tens of millions of dollars every year. Areas in Florida, such as Tampa Bay and Sarasota, have wrestled with the problem for decades. A species called Yaana brevis can thrive in Gulf of America waters, spawning harmful algal blooms that kill wildlife, foul beaches, and sicken swimmers. With this, Yaana Taank conclude today's space news. Stay updated for the latest updates.